Order! Order! You are an incorrigible delinquent at times. Behave yourself, man!
The government's long-awaited plan to tackle childhood obesity in England will be published tomorrow. It will include details of the new sugar levy, and the BBC understands will make manufacturers cut the added sugar content of food and drink by 20% over 4 years. But campaigners are angry that the measures don't go far enough. For example, there'll be no new curbs on TV advertising of unhealthy foods and restrictions on cut-price promotions in supermarkets. Here's our health editor, Hugh Pym.
Dancing in the playground, part of one school's bid to help pupils keep fit and avoid longer-term health problems associated with weight. The government strategy aims to further boost physical activity in schools. Healthy food for school meals is another part of the plan here in the London borough of Haringey. But there's a recognition there's only so much they can do, and there's a much bigger problem to be dealt with beyond the school gates.
We're surrounded in this area by a whole host of cheap, 99p chicken and chips meal deals, and if you're on a lower income, you will be drawn to those deals, or supermarkets that are offering perhaps lower quality food at a price that's affordable.
The new government plan for England is trying to tackle that, focusing on cutting sugar content of food and drink in shops. Making healthy choices isn't always easy, as Melanie Horner, shopping for her family, told us.
A lot of the stuff that I offer are usually the unhealthy stuff, the cakes, the biscuits, the crisps. The things that are healthy, like the vegetables, the fruits, they're the things that are never like buy one, get one free.
The government's new childhood obesity plan tomorrow is expected to include action on the reformulation of products to contain 20% less sugar over the next 4 years and moves to promote more school sports. But despite widespread expectations, there'll be no action on low-price supermarket deals on unhealthy food and promotions during family TV shows. Work on the obesity strategy has been going on for months at Westminster. David Cameron had been set to unveil it. Now Theresa May's taken her own view on what's a reasonable balance between voluntary action and government intervention. But it's left ministers vulnerable to the charge that it's been watered down. Based on what they've heard, public health campaigners say the strategy has left out important measures, so it's a missed opportunity.
I think this is a major crisis that we face in children's obesity and a major crisis for the public health in the UK in general. So we are very disappointed if these measures are not taken.
Ministers will highlight moves to boost sport in schools. Details of the sugar tax on fizzy drinks, which will apply across the UK, will be unveiled. Plans in Scotland to improve diets have also been published today. Policymakers can only hope the measures do something to reduce what's seen as a major threat to the nation's health. Hugh Pym, BBC News.
I've been getting away with it all my